Memley right behind him, who definitely would love to take advantage of that there, as we're going to wind them up and try it again.
Get them all bottled in.
Bumper to bumper, door handle to door handle. Here they come, they come, they come! Green flag, and we're racing!
And that one looks a lot better as Trevor Robinson out front. Watch out for that 78 of John Featherston. And then that 11T of Josh Thiering creeping in there for the top three.
Everybody looks good coming out of turn 4. The next lap of the feature.
Uh-oh, trouble with Howie.
Whoa! Oh! Josh Lundy! Howie Ware! Oh, no!
Yeah, that 36 of Howie Ware, he had some trouble coming in the stretch over here and getting into turns 1. And him and that one-man racing team of Josh Lundy, the Gremlin, those two having all kinds of problems in turn 1 and 2.
Yeah, Howie Ware currently the points leader in the Bargain Hunter Sportsman division. Definitely not what he wanted to have happen tonight. And the one-man racing crew, Josh Lundy, doing it all by himself in that green and black number 11. Definitely not wanting to have a night like this as well. Ladies and gentlemen, remember, please stay away from the fence. Please back away from the fence for your safety. Remember to make sure to check your seats, that you're sitting in the right seat as well.